All right, what did I do? How many times do you wax your vehicle a year? What? How many times do you wax your vehicle? Add all of that up. I bet you it's gonna be more than what a ceramic coating costs. There was overspray all over this truck. It's a 2018, brand new, less than 4,000 miles on it. He had some lime sit on it for a while, and I mean, the cement overspray, there's all kinds of mess that happened to it. Corrected all of that, no trace of it, and installed Ceramic Pro. Multi-application system, worth every penny, worth every penny. 4 applications of 9H and then 1 application of light, and boom, that's what you get. What is Ceramic Pro gonna do for his truck? I mean, it's gonna make life easier. Look at the little box there. Bing, 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 bing. All those little things it's gonna do. But because of his industry that he works in, his truck will be able to not be destroyed by all this overspray and stuff. It's not gonna make things not get on the truck, but it's gonna make life easier for him to get it off of the truck. And he's not gonna need all these fillers and weird things and black waxes and blah, 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 blah. No, none of that. It's freaking